August 20th and 21st, Thursday and Friday, the sun is in Leo and the moon is in Scorpio. That is called fire and water 90-degree angle. In astrology, we call that a square. It instantly means there's tension because Leo's all about showing off and they have this life force and they're into like power. And Scorpio's like, sit down. Don't you talk. I'm in control. So there's a conflict. And right now the sun's in Leo, the moon's in Scorpio, but so is Saturn, and Saturn's exactly squaring it. So there's this unbelievable tension in the sky. Now you would personally feel it, like there's a little bit of control. If you use this energy right Thursday and Friday, you're going to feel driven. If you use it wrong, you're going to feel like you're mean. You know that teenage energy where you look at someone and you just want to go, sss? I remember that. Don't tell anyone. Like that mean energy where you really watch yourself judging. It could be to yourself. That's what Scorpio, Leo do to themselves. They don't feel good about themselves because there's a conflicted energy going in two different directions. Harmony comes in astrology when there's the same, when there's compatibility, and there's a quality of ease. When there's fire and water, there's different energies going at the same time. It's your challenge, and that's why you learn astrology, to say to yourself, how do I be compassionate when I'm being upset? When the energies are off Thursday and Friday and you feel a little edgy, how do you be the voice of compassion or the agent of peace or kindness? But that takes a very specific mindset. And that's why you're watching these videos. Astrology provides answers. If you're aware enough and you're asking the question, what's the energy like today? Then you'll know the tension's in the air. And by Friday, here comes Friday, you can either indulge that Scorpio, Leo, and go off and be sexy and bad, or you can turn your observer on and use the energy to do it consciously and know where the off button is. The problem with Scorpio, Leo, and that energy in that chart, anyone born with this, is they have no off button. It's so intense that it conflicts. So the power of wisdom brought to you by Astrology Answers, is to turn your observer on and notice, wow, I do feel tense, but I have a free will button called choice. And that's where you get to take your mean little teenager and say to it, sit down. We're grown-ups now. So let me know how this weekend goes. Starting by Friday, the energy should shift. And guess what? We're moving towards Virgo. So here goes Leo. Bye-bye. Brought to you by Astrology Answers. Collaborating with Astrology Answers and Debra Silverman, we bring you wisdom from the stars.